Camera action.
5,000 years ago, at an unknown place, there lived a beautiful princess named Snow White. His skin was as white as snow, her lace was turquoise, and her hair was shiny. She was an orphan. She lived at the palace belongs to his stepmother. That arrogant queen has an important habit, which was she always asking her faithful Cornuterra, who was the most beautiful woman in the universe, and the answer was always the queen. One day, the queen asked the same question to her Cornuterra again. Listen, the queen. Cornuterra Nina. The guardian Randy.
Hey, my fortune teller, my faithful fortune teller, who is the most beautiful woman in the universe?
My queen, the most beautiful woman the universe is Snow White. Sorry, but no, you are not more beautiful than Snow White.
Snow White, it is impossible. My lovely cat is more beautiful than here. Do not be joking.
My queen, I am not joking. If you did not like it, you would take a look in my list together with Snow White. Definitely the one who is more beautiful will be.
No, I do not want to hear it since you know you are expert.
My queen, I did not mean to.
The queen left the Cornuterra's house angrily. She really did not think there was the one who was more beautiful than her. Moreover, she was Snow White, his stepchild. They could not accept this cruelty when she arrived at the palace.
It was impossible, really impossible. This was false Snow White. The child was just sleeping, eating. That fortune teller should be crazy.
Snow White was surprised. She kept the first drawing.
Snow White cannot be the most beautiful woman in the universe. Eureka, she must be finished.
The queen was cold and hideous. She groped in pocket, picked her phone, and pressed some number.
I must kill here, but how is the way? Listen.
Yes, my queen. What will I do?
The guardian, go to my room as soon as possible.
Roger, should I know?
Tomorrow, of course not.
Okay, I will be there immediately.
Snow White moved into her room quickly. First, she arrived the guardian asked her investigation.
What's the matter, my queen?
I command you to kill Snow White, my stepchild.
What? It is impossible, my queen. I'm afraid to kill a person. Our sin will be unforgivable, and the hell will be waiting for us. Moreover, Snow White was kind-hearted and
Do not give me a lecture if you do not want to do it. I will kill your wife and your children. Now, which will you choose?
okay, my queen. I will obey your command, but how could I kill her?
Whatever step, hit, burn, torture, or induce was your choice, or you want to draw here to a ravine. It is fine knowledge that Snow White must die within this night. Understand?
Understand, my queen?
The guardian was left the queen's room immediately. Knock, knock, knock. Snow White come.
Okay, guardian, I will be there.
Guardian.
Princess, you were killed by the queen. She was waiting in her room.
Snow White felt fear. She fidgeted the brick wall for a minute. Finally, she passed out and began.
Guardian, sorry, seems like I have spotted a rat down in the kitchen. Could you go there to clean it? I could go to mom's room by myself.
Okay, Princess, excuse me.
After assured the guardian has disappeared from the corner of corridor, Snow White ran out of the palace immediately. She decided to escape from his stepmother's killing scheme. She kept running to forest, crossing a river, walking to a mountain, and crossing wild animals area. Finally, she was tired and stupid in the slope of the hill.
I'm so tired. I could die if I keep on running. My mom was really cruel. How could she want to kill me? Who Luckily I knew about it. If I didn't, I could not enjoy this.
Hi Clover, it's not growing anymore. It was very nice.
Huh? Oh, sorry, but who are you?
I am a dwarf who lives behind your place. Do you really eat?
Oh my god, I did not see it. I thought this was just a hat. I am so sorry.
So sorry, you must buy some fruits for use.
What's going on, Anger? We did use rhyming out like an angry person.
I am angry. See this crew was grumbling by her own sleep make a mission over house was destroyed.
Fine, she has been dragged. It's better to let her stay what's a pity seems like she is it.
Stay with yours. Often our house can be desperate. If you let her stay here, I don't want to.
What what's wrong? What's wrong? We just help her.
It's up to you.
Okay, hey, would you like to stay with us? Seems like you were it.
Thank you, Edward. Sorry if I made some difficult for you all.
Kill me, the wish and the anger come on.
Okay, thanks.
The way Snow White and the Angel was into the dwarf's house. In the inside, Snow White was welcomed to by other dwarfs. The joy, Krishna.
Wow, there is a newcomer in our home. This will be fun. I will kill the sliver.
Let me introduce ourselves. The draw was welcoming you. Is the joy. The green one is forgetful.
I am the forgetful. Who are you? I am Snow White.
The red one is the anger. She is easy to be angry, but actually, she is keen. Princess, are you the Fredbeard Queen's step?
Yes, but my mom was not wicked. She is just tears of domination, egoism, and cruel.
Wow, it's the same princess. By the way, when you relate to her,
Actually, I have been here because I escaped from the palace. My mom wanted to kill me. her, her fortune her fortune teller said if my beauty was exceeding hers, so she wanted to kill me. So she could be the most beautiful woman in the universe.
The joy and the silver had been in the room. Everyone was silent.
unbelievable, what become this because of a king?
It's dangerous. Don't let the queen know. The princess is her.
We must protect Snow White in our house agreed.
Eagle. Hey, the sweeper, do you eagle? Agreed about what?
The princess was destined to be exiled, or I meant to be called in our house. Do you agree to let her leave her people?
Oh, so that's the matter.
That's I just, do you agree?
I am agreed with
how devoted we live together with the beautiful princess.
Oh shit.
Thanks. Nice to know you all. It was all Snow White to live together in their house, as their Snow White was right here. As a thank you to them, Snow White always cooked a food, cleaning the house, and told a story before they fell asleep. She was also bathing the house while the five dwarfs was working. Snow White felt happy to live together with them. She decided to live forever in their house. Meanwhile, in the queen's palace, the queen was groaning and whistling while her phone was ringing. The queen's.
Annoying, do not see. Am I grooming? Hello?
The queen I called because I just want to your condition.
What is your relationship with me?
That's not what I mean. The queen actually I want to give you news.
Wait, who are you?
Astagfirullah, I am the panther Tarayu Paipoponi who always predicted everything fast. Up to that, and accurate. Did you forget my queen?
So that was you. Why did you call me? I thought you did not have a phone because you are all fashionable.
Oh my god, I forgot to tell you this is my name telephone. I have found it on the astounding cabinet.
Do not tell a fairy tale. What kind of news did you have?
Lately, I have predicted that the 2012 would be the end of the year, my queen.
So what is the connection with me?
Oh, sorry, wrong topic. I mean that I have this Snow White. She was still alive and lived in the pipe draw house.
What did you say?
I am not lying, my queen. You know how I did my job, don't you? Hello, my queen. Are you still alive?
I would not die before I kill Snow White with my own hands.
The only prince went to make a new plan to fight Snow White. She has one a great idea. Without thinking longer, she began rapping. Meanwhile, in the five dwarfs' house, Snow White was still loved by the five dwarfs because the dwarfs treated Snow White as their own mother. She often told a fairy tale story if they want to go sleep or could not sleep well. Now it's time to the five dwarfs to work at the remote hill. Snow White.
Be careful, the five dwarfs, especially for the sleeper. You are not allowed to sleep on the way.
Okay, princess.
Hey, you forget Paul. How come you forget it?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Don't be forget anymore.
Okay, princess, calm me down. I have just forget now.
Well, it's not just now.
Stop worrying, princess. Perhaps we home at 4 p.m. Be careful, don't believe in your head. Okay, the ways. Good, adios. Adios, princess.
Adios.
Snow White was alone in the five dwarfs' house. She tidied up the kitchen, the dwarfs' room, and fishing in the river. After fried the fish, the stripped the fruit. After that, she mopped the floor. Suddenly, someone has come. Snow White.
I'm so lucky and safe in this house. No one can find me here.
The young man looked like from walking toward the five dwarfs' house. There was a step and a book in his hands. The wizard.
What are you looking for?
I want to offer you business a product, me.
What kind of product?
This is a hair vitamin. It makes your hair laser quickly without waiting for many years. It is definitely faster than Shinkansen. Actually, I already have one, but perhaps it is just a fast motorcycle. Look at my hair; it never gets longer. Because of that, you will definitely need it. It is as fast as conditioner. It has been tested in USA. It is 100% natural. Trust me.
Okay. How much it costs?
It is cheap, just $20, girl.
Yeah. How about $5? Hey, my money is low.
Wow, girl, I could eat just gravel if you pay me $5. Okay lah, $15, girl. This is the rarest item and the most favorite item on the online auctioning. It is almost extinct.
Almost extinct, like a dinosaur who. Hahaha.
Come on quickly if you want to buy it. My time is running out, and my schedule is so dense.
Okay, wait.
Thanks, girl. I would not forget you. Goodness. Oh yeah, you should use immediately. Fresh from oven low. Bye bye.
Okay. After a while, Snow White fell unwell on her head. Her head was itchy, she cracked her head, but her head was itchier. Then she cracked and cracked. Snow White became dizzy. She sat on the chair minute after minute. She could not bear it anymore. She was unconscious for a long time. The five dwarfs was home, but she was not conscious yet. The sleeper.
Hey, princess, are you sleeping? What's up? We're home. Princess, wake up. What should we do is trying.
What's going on?
She was unconscious, so she was not talking yet.
Princess, this is a poison. It means.
What did she poisoning?
This is a poison. Did you forget poison?
So what if she was poisoning? She could be dead, forgetful. Oh yeah. Sorry, then what shall we do?
Stretch her. Come on.
Loh, is Princess unconscious?
She was did angry lost her. Beware of your words. I have been trying to awaken of her, but she did not wake up. We call beyond difficulties.
Oh my god.
Let's take her to the nearest hospital.
Forgetful. There is hospital around here.
Hey, sorry.
Finally, First was supporting Snow White on walking to her bed. Horse ran on. Snow White was still unconscious. The five dwarfs was confused and scared. Snow White seemed like to be dead. They assumed there is the one who could resolve this problem. He is the prince from the remote hill. The princess.
Well, someone needs my help. It is better if I go to find out. It must be important.
The prince felt his castle immediately. He ran away for a fair distance and a long time. After about 20 minutes, he felt so tired. He decided to stop on running. He sat under a tree near a small house. It was the five dwarfs' house. The joy hid something suspicious in the outside of their house. She went outside to kick it. The joy.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm tired of running for a fair distance. Are you a dwarf? Did you live there?
Yes, I am the joy. That is my horse. We are you sitting there? Is there any problem?
I have to help someone, but I did not know where. I'm so tired, so I sit here.
By the way, who are you? Seems like I have seen you before.
I'm the prince from Saldarian Kingdom in the remote hill.
Oh, I see. You all get some drink in my house. Come on, get in.
Okay, thanks. You are so kind, Joy.
Actually, our princess is conscious now. We do not know whether she is dead or not.
Perhaps this is the problem. I know what I should do.
Oh, thank you, sweet. Cloud, you can help. We have been given up.
Let me thinking. Aha, I have a unique power. Come here, I will tell you.
What's that embarrassing pic?
That that's the only way to resolve this problem. Trust me, it will be okay.
Girl, what a strange smell.
Here, what happened? Have your parents told you about polythenes?
Of course they have. Hey, you should thank me. I have saved you from death. Did not you know?
Did? Who is did? And why are you here?
And we are sorry, Princess, you have fallen asleep for long hours without that you were sick. So we got for her, and he is the one who helped us after you.
Yes, that's why I'm here.
I'm not dead yet. I have just sleep because my head was dizzy.
Yeah, it's just misunderstanding, Princess.
Moreover, please, we want to find someone who will accompany you while you are alone in the house.
And we thought the right one is him.
What? I don't want to. How could I am accompanied by someone who is flirting hurriedly? No way.
Wait, hey, I did not know about this. Moreover, how could you reject me this fast? Though I know I want to do so. Okay, it does not matter. I still have 5 concubines in my castle. I do not need you.
Okay. Stop rambling, princess. The important are for you. If you are still alive, we don't know what to do if you are dead.
Yes, we are happy you are still alive.
Please forgive him and let him go.
That king, I received the princess and the order say many thanks for you help, and we are sorry is you are is true bad answer again you. Thank you.
Not at all. It's me who want to help you, okay? I must be leaving now. Take care yourself. Goodbye.
Finally, Snow White decided to live together with the five dwarfs as their host. So the prince went back to his castle. The wizard has been engaged to the princess from Central Kingdom. Meanwhile, the queen really got angry that Snow White was still alive. She got depressed in her life. She devastated her own castle. Unfortunately, she herself was being buried in the ruins of her castle. Snow White has found her happiness and lived happily along with the five dwarfs. Thanks.
Okay, applause.